Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and for today's video we are going to make a DIY newborn beanie. So here is the pattern that I'm going to use for the newborn beanie. So I already cut my fabric, so as you can see here it is 7 inches wide and 7 inches long as well, so that's 7 by 7, and we are going to have a 1-inch fold. And then here from the top we are going to measure 4.5 inches like that, and then we have 0.25 inch. So the point here is you are going to fold that one and then stitch it just so it will have like a beanie shape. Of course you can skip that step if you like, and you can just like sew it like really straight. So I already have this cut and already drawn the center, and that will be my guide. So I'm going to fold it like so, and then as you can see I have the line there, which I'm going to have a stitch like just a straight stitch for both. So I also have for the other one, so I'm just gonna stitch it real quick. So this is my setting. I just use plain stitch, which is 0 0. You can also use 0 1, up to you. Yes, so I just finished it, and there's no need to cut it like I said, and you will do it front and back. If you think it's too long, the stitch is too long, you can shorten it a little bit, that's okay. And then we're gonna stitch it around the beanie, and then we're gonna fold this 1 inch, yes, like that. So I'm just gonna do it real quick, and then I'll show you the result right after. Okay, so here I finished stitching the top of the beanie, and then we are going to fold it 1 inch from the bottom. Now it's done, and we're just gonna open it right side out, and here's how it looks like. So like I said, you can skip this step if you don't like that straight line there in the front. That's perfectly fine as long as your fabric is stretchy, and by the way, it should stretch sideways. And then when the baby wears it, you can also fold it like the one I showed you a while ago. This one is another design, pretty much the same process. So stitch all around it, I already did that, and fold 1 inch from the bottom. And this one, we skip the part where we stitch the center, right? And then, so I'm just gonna flip it right side out, and it looks like this. So you're just going to fold that part right there, or what do you call it, tie it, yes, tie a knot on top. You can also do like 2 if you want that. And here is our newborn beanie. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.